How to fix snapshot code Ss06. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem on your snapshot. Just follow me in this video till the end. So first you need to go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search now for snapshot. Open snapshot like this and scroll down and go to storage. Here go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, and click OK, and go back and click on first stop and click also OK. And what's next, guys? You need to do, you have to go to these options. It does that. Therefore, make sure that this option opens supported links, it's allow it, and after this your problem will be solved. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.